So, babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday yung mag-asawa si Maricor and Marlon Hope. September 15 and September 19 respectively. So, I just wanted to greet you both, husband and wife, happy birthday in advance. More birthdays to come. God bless you. I hope the good Lord would continue to shower blessings and spiritual and financial blessings on you both and to your children as well. Maricor, gusto ko lang malaman mo na ako natutuwa sa kung anong narating mo. Hindi madaling mabuhay sa abroad pero pinili mo yung landas na yan at natutuwa ako makita na napagtagumpayan mo yan. So, napadaan lang para bumati, hoping na hindi naman nakakastorbo kasi alam mo naman dyan sa inyong mga American citizen, walang araw na hindi kayo busy. Kaya sinabi dyan, the land of opportunity. Dahil dyan, lahat busy. So, maraming blessings pa sana dumating sa inyo. Ngayong paparating na birthday nyo, halos magkasunod. So, napadaan lang para bumati. So, God bless you and more power.